Your Honor, I was indicating that the last time we appeared before you, one of the questions we raised was the fact that the charge is on possession of what is being referred to as ammunition.
Yes.
However, at the time of the arrest, electronic devices had been taken from the accused person.
Yes.
Now, last time we were before you, I did raise a question. Since the charge is for ammunition, what is the purpose of the electronic devices for this investigation? And you will note that in the discovery that was issued to me, on the question of the forensic report, it was marked as not handed over. So it was in the list, but marked as not handed over. I then submitted to the court that the prosecution needed to determine, are we proceeding with the devices or not? If we are proceeding, the court actually made that, gave those directions, that if these devices are being used, then let a forensic report be produced.
Yes.
To justify the continued detention of the same. And if not, let them be handed over. So one of the things we are coming to confirm today is there a report and were they handed over? And Mr. Lempa, my very able senior, has confirmed that we have received, by way, we've received those devices as captured in the inventory. This is the inventory of 19th July 2025 had the electronic devices. I confirm we've received one Samsung phone.
Is there any that is missing?
No.
So I think just as per the inventory.
Yes, so just as per the inventory list we've now received. And so my question is, the inventory is dated 19th of July. All the inventories are dated 19th of July 2025. We have 3 copies. So that now the question then, Your Honor, is,
yes,
today the directions of the court were that we would get a report, a forensic report for these devices. That has not been handed over. And so my question was, is there a forensic report? Was there a forensic exercise conducted on these devices? And will those be relied upon in this matter? So that now we can clear with that hurdle. And we know we are only dealing with the reports we have. And in my discovery, and in the court's discovery, we just need to mark and say no forensic report for those devices. It really is as simple as that. You'll kindly, because of lack of chairs, you'll allow me to remain on my feet. Thank you.
You can continue.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. I confirm, Your Honor, I do wish to file a copy of the inventories, all items reduced to the defense and sign for. So the defense may confirm to this court that there is nothing that was ever taken from them that has not been returned to them.
Except the tear gas canisters, which is evidence.
That is evidence. Yes. So I don't think it's necessary, Your Honor, to keep arguing about the forensic report. We confirm that you are not going to use any forensic report in the matter in respect to the exploitation of the mobile phones. We are concentrating on the issues that are before court and the reports in relation to the 2 charges only. So exploitation of the mobile phone, we are not relying on, we've not supplied, and we will not use it against anyone. So that chapter may be closed, Your Honor, as of now.
I hope the record kept those words that have been
No,
used,
they-
and
no,
I
they are
appreciate
very cancelled.
the words. We will not use them against anyone. Those are the words.
Yes, mheshimiwa, na hiyo inaonyesha wazi kwamba kitendo hicho cha serikali kikiongozwa na DPP na polisi kilikuwa ni cha kuwagandamiza watoto, kama vile tumekuwa tukisema. Watoto wa mshtakiwa walikuwa wanatumia vifaa hivyo kwa masomo yao. Hiyo tulisema Bwana Mashira mara kama 20. Watoto hao ukiangalia vile walivyofanya katika masomo yao, mitihani yao ya mwisho wa muhula, viliathirika zaidi, na tungetaka kuhakikishia kiongozi wa mashtaka na mchunguzi wa mashtaka swala hilo tutalishughulikia mahali pengine. Asante sana.
Just to confirm that the issue of unajua Lempa anapendaga sana niongee Kiswahili, and he likes cornering me using Kiswahili, but I'm saying that there was no bad faith.
Mr. Mashira,
Expectation, just to it. Addressing the courts. So, what I'm saying is that the investigations cannot be stopped, and any gadget recovered is subject to investigation. All we are saying, Yona, in a legal language, is that they were not linked to the offenses that are before this court. And full stop. Thank you all.
Unlike not my learned good friend got a name Kiswahili. Na hivyo hawezi kuja hapa mahakamani kusema haelewi Kiswahili, na najaribu kumweka kwa kona fulani.
And so, Your Honor, sorry, just to take you back, it's also perhaps to confirm as well that if you look at the inventory list, because this formed part of the evidence bundle, and perhaps the court will just give us directions on how we treat this. You have lists on one of the inventories. I know it's before you. List 1 to 19: hard disks, laptops, stamps. So we remove that from the evidence, isn't it? Because what he's saying is that this basically everything here will not be relied on. The only thing I think they seek to rely, and it's not here.
Forensic report.
Yeah, for the tear gas, we already have the ballistic report for the tear gas canisters. So that we say, Your Honor, then that everything else, because it had been supplied to us, is then expunged from the evidence bundle.
Now, I have written what has been said by both sides. I've written what has been said by the state.
Yes.
And again, I say that some of these questions are trying to jump the gun. We are trying to get where we are not.
Yeah.
The trial has not commenced. And these are evidentiary questions.
Yes.
Should they arise during the trial, should the state try to go against what they have said today, then you have the right to rise up and say, but on this particular date, when the inventory was returned, this is what was stated by the prosecution. So it will not be fair for the court to preempt anyone and say, so therefore, because you have returned this, therefore you cannot do ABC.
Yeah.
We can only wait and see how the prosecution intends to proceed. And at that point,
and I'm happy to take directions. It's just that I thought for efficiency and good order, when we proceed, we just know we are not dealing with that, but it's fine. We can raise it up if and when it arises.
I understand the need for efficiency and good order.
Yes.
There's also the need of dealing with issues as they arise. Yes. So can we now then agree on the way forward? The pre-trials
They are complete, Your Honor.
They are complete.
Yes.
We now can take dates for hearing.
We can take a hearing.
How many dates do you want? How many witnesses do you intend to call, Mr. Chair?
We can take 3 dates.
Yes, 3.
However you want it.
We can take 3 dates. Let's be guided by the court diary. Let's have 3 dates.
24th of November.
I will split them and not have them continuous. From experience, I know that if anything were to happen, a slight thing causes an adjournment, that will have a ripple effect, and will have spread across the 3 days, so we'll have lost track. If we split them, we may proceed on one date, and then on the other date, we may find that so for that reason, we favor this. Let's have 3 dates.
25th of November.
25th of November, is that agreeable to the party?
That's convenient.
Not convenient, sir.
Convenient.
27th of November,
Not convenient.
1st of December.
We're getting into Mombasa time. Yani.
No, first is okay. Second is okay.
First is okay?
Second.
Second,
Second December.
not convenient.
First.
I don't know if the diary the week before 24th. Is there any dates?
The court system has the diary.
20th of November.
My November Yona is full.
Then you take the 1st of December.
First.
It's okay.
1st of December, Your Honor.
1st of December.
Could you take the 1st and the 3rd? They're not consecutive, but at least we have a break. Yes, the 1st and 3rd.
3rd of December, yes.
Convenient. And we believe that maybe by 1st, if we have the whole day, we'll have things because they have very short witnesses and very lean evidence.
So let's agree on those 2 dates for now. 1st and 3rd of December. Mr. Lempa, I don't know what measure you've used to judge the evidence and say that it is lean. Let us wait and come for the hearing. So we come for hearing on the 1st and on the 3rd of December. Do we need a mention prior to that to confirm the availability of witnesses, Mr. McCall?
Maybe Yona can do an email.
Yes,
If they leave their email addresses, then we can do progression.
a case progression emails. So we don't need to have a mention.
Don't need a mention.
Good. So we come back for hearing on the 1st of December and on the 3rd of December.
Most obliged.
Thank you very much.
Most obliged, Your Honor.
Most of them.